Today we will be dealing with the tense in the OET speaking. So start with past simple tense. So these are some of the questions related to this. Take time to read. Past simple tense we are mainly using to talk about actions completed in the past. It's already done, all these questions. Okay, that is the meaning of with the questions, and it's in the past simple tense. The tense for this is do, did, done. Did is past tense. Now moving on with the present perfect tense. This is the question. Have you ever had anything like this before? You haven't lost any weight or anything? See, when we are using present perfect tense, when we are not sure about the time, so in order to ask about an action that took place at an unspecified time, about an action that took place at an unspecified time in the past. So at that time we will be using perfect tense when the time we are unsure about the timings. Have you ever had means not yesterday, ever had. So this is next sentence. So we can even use that when we in this case recent past that has consequence for the present. So whatever you did, the diet which you did recently has some consequence with the present. Okay, so two times in two places we can actually use present perfect tense. Once it is about the action that took place at unspecific time. Okay, one is like unspecific time took place at an unspecific time in the past, or action in the recent past that has consequence for the present. Okay, now moving on with the next question. Present continuous tense. You can take time to read. Okay, so continuous means what? I already told you. Continuous means when the sentence with ing. Okay, so all this sentence has ing. It's continuous tense. So action that is happening. Okay, right now. So okay, so these are the sentence. Is there anything else happening at the moment? Is there anything else happening? Ing at the moment. So we can also use this tense to ask about present actions. Present actions that are continuing over a period of time. Are you taking any kind of medications? So this is the question. Or at the time when something will happen or will not happen in the near future. So it means in the near future means it won't happen immediately. That is the meaning of in the near future. So when are you seeing the specialist? When are you seeing the specialist? So when all we can use the present continuous tense to talk about something action that is happening right now. Okay, ing we will be using. So these are the sentence to talk about actions that are continuing over a period of time. So it's now also it's continuing. Are you taking ing is the right? Something that will or will not happen in the near future. Will happen or at the time. So three places we can actually use the present continuous tense. Now moving with the present simple tense. About whenever we talk about permanent situation that lasts for some time, it's like a permanent situation or situations which last for some time. You are not on medication. No, you are not on in medication, are you? She also uses this tense. We can use all this tense to talk about a present state. Okay. So present simple tense, it's like to talk about a permanent situation. Simple tense, permanent situation or situation that lasts for some time. That's why permanent. Or to talk about a present state. So these are the two sentences. So different ways you can. You are not on any medication, are you? So it's like, see, the same question is framed. Are you on any medication? So we can frame differently, right? Your appetite is okay. Is your appetite okay? So that is about present simple tense. So this is the discussion related to grammar, tense and OET speaking. Thank you.